A very good morning, dear children. Welcome to the English session 2. I hope you all are working hard and keeping yourself fit and healthy. Children, in the last session, we started with the story of Miss Moppet. So today, we will continue with the same. But before I proceed, let me start today's session with a poem. Let's recite the poem. I love little Pussy. I love little Pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. I won't pull her tail, nor drive her away. But Pussy and I together will play. Children, I hope you all enjoyed listening to the poem. Like the story of Miss Moppet, this poem also teaches us not to tease others. Children, now let's do a quick recap of the story. Do you all remember who Miss Moppet was? Yes, Miss Moppet was a little kitten. One day she saw a mouse in her house. The mouse was teasing her. So Miss Moppet tried to catch the mouse in a towel to teach him a lesson. But the mouse was very clever. He got out through a hole in the towel and started dancing on the cupboard. I'm sure you all would have enjoyed listening to this story. Now let's move further. Children, you have already done a practice sheet last week based on the lesson. Today, we will do fill in the blanks of this lesson which you can see on the screen. Let's read. Miss Moppet is a little dash. You have to choose the correct option. Yes, the answer is kitten. Next, the dash is peeping out from behind the cupboard. Yes, it's mouse. Next, Miss Moppet hits her dash on the cupboard. Correct. The answer is head. Next, she ties up her head in a dash. Correct. It's towel. Next, the mouse got out through a dash in the towel. Yes, the answer is hole. Now let's move further. Children, you can see on the screen that the sentences are not written correctly. Change the underlined word and rewrite the sentence correctly. Let's start. First, Miss Moppet is a little puppy. Yes, Miss Moppet is a little kitten. You are right. Next, she sees a bird in her house. Do you think she saw a bird in her house? Yes, I know you all know the answer. She sees a mouse in her house. Next, the mouse is peeping out from behind the window. Yes, the answer is the mouse is peeping out from behind the cupboard. Next, Miss Moppet sits before the mirror. Children, you all remember the story now? Tell me, where did Miss Moppet sit? Yes, Miss Moppet sits before the fire. Correct. Next, the mouse started singing on the cupboard. Do you think the mouse started singing on the cupboard? No, the mouse was not singing. The mouse started dancing on the cupboard. Correct. Children, the same exercises have been uploaded on the website. I'm sure you can now do these on your own. Happy working. Bye bye.